bringing it really close. This is the process I use for lining up my artwork. Make sure it's all centered. So HP made this chart paper, and they don't make it anymore. It's discontinued. So it's got these little grids and stuff in it, and it helps really line your artwork up. You know, art department's not always perfect. Your clients aren't always perfect lining up their artwork, and I've been using this for years. So I remade that chart, and I include it in the Bison sets. If you buy a set, you get this. I also have this online. It's 11 by 17. I have it on the website, the Bison PlatenSystems.com. You can download this, and it's very useful. So I've got, you know, my center lines on my board. I put some adhesive down. So if I line up my center line, now I've got a grid to put my artwork down on my manual press. And I use this for, I got smaller ones when I'm doing sleeves. I get little cutouts. But this is mainly what I use. I'm 2 squares over. That's usually what I use when I start my left chest. It depends, you know, on how the design's set up. But because your client's artwork is not always centered and your elements, this really helps you, gives you the visual to really center it up. And I do use, like for us, we use center lines. So I line up my center lines, but I'm also making sure everything's square. It's, you know, it's within that area, so it doesn't look off in the print. So like this one, I can tell, here's my center lines, I'm off the side fine, everything looks good, my lines are straight with that, so I'm good to go. But this is what I use to line up my designs, is to make sure they're in the right place. So I just want to show you this, and hopefully this can be helpful for you. It's downloadable on the website. It's really, really handy for when I do a lot of custom stuff, and this helps me make sure everything stays within, you know, it looks centered and it's not off-sided. Because I have had some designs where their element is centered but everything else is off, and then I can balance it with within this area. So hopefully that's helpful. Check it out. Thanks.